In the misty dawn of ancient China, a colossal wall snakes across the rugged mountains, casting shadows over a land rife with conflict and ambition. This is the Great Wall, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a civilization determined to protect its heart from the chaos beyond. Amidst this grandeur stands General Meng Tian, a legendary figure of courage and strategy. Tasked with completing the wall, he faces not only the formidable tribes of the north, but the treachery brewing within his own court, where power-hungry officials conspire against him. As the tribes rally their forces, tensions mount. Betrayal unfolds in the shadows of the imperial court, where whispers of dissent threaten to unravel the very fabric of unity that the wall symbolizes. Allies become enemies, and loyalty is tested as the fate of the empire hangs in the balance. In a climactic battle, Meng Tian leads his soldiers against the encroaching tribes. The clash of swords and the roar of warriors echo against the towering stones of the wall. A dramatic struggle for survival unfolds, revealing the true cost of ambition and loyalty. In the aftermath, the wall stands tall, a silent witness to the bloodshed and bravery. The lesson echoes through time. The greatest battles are fought not just with weapons, but with the hearts of men. The Great Wall endures, a symbol of resilience, uniting a fractured nation.